I am who God says I am, chosen and forgiven, washed by the blood of the Lamb. I am who God says I am, not what the world declares. My life is in His hand. The world may call me broken, say I will never stand. They see my past and failure, they don't understand. But God has written mercy across my storyline. He called me out of darkness, His light in me will shine. Says I am righteous, through Jesus I am free. No chain of sin can bind me, His grace has rescued me. The word says I am chosen, a child of God above, adopted in His kingdom, surrounded by His love. I am redeemed, I am restored, I am forgiven by the Lord. I am His child, I am made new, every promise He makes is true. I am the light, I will not fear, God's Holy Spirit lives in me. I am who God says I am, chosen and forgiven, washed by the blood, the Lamb. Says I am, not what the world declares. My life is in His hands. I am who God says I am. I am who God says I am. My life